Aotearoa, tēnā koutou katoa, greetings, and thank you for being here this morning. And thank you for today's petition. The Pacific, you know, is our front yard, and the people of the Pacific are our cousins, for better or for worse. Now, here's the fact. Cousins look after each other and respect each other. When it comes to visas, there's an issue in that people from nations outside the Pacific, in some instances, are getting far better treatment than you are. Not in my time. No, didn't you hear me? Now, that's no way to treat cousins, and New Zealand First is committed to getting that sorted out. Because when it comes to working with and helping out the Pacific people, we have believed that our front yard and our future is critically dependent upon the way we handle these issues. And there is a Pacific way, and it makes far more sense than this antiquated bureaucratic botch-up that passes for some of our delivery services today when it comes to immigration in our country. You'll see other political parties always talking about the Pacific, but when it comes to finding the money, the aid and the investment, ask yourself this question. It's in the good books, in the Bible. By their deeds you will know them. Some of you are old enough to remember the last time the rest did anything was when Norman Kirk was the Prime Minister. And that was circa 72, 73. After that, a lot of talk, or as they say in the United States, fast on the lip and slow on the hip. You all know it. As much as you like to forgive them, look at their record. When they went out there to battle for you, did they put it all on the line to make sure that they were a front yard neighbour to you? And you cannot say that of a party that I lead. In the 3 times we've had this job, we have dramatically stepped up our responsibilities to the Pacific, and we don't ask you to believe our words, we ask you to believe the budgetary record. But remember, when cousins help each other, they respect that hospitality. We want a change in our immigration service so they understand the Pacific way of dealing with this matter. We're cousins, and we respect each other wherever we are. It won't be easy. We'll work very hard to achieve the best we can with respect to the petition and the responsibilities you seek from it. It's important that access to New Zealand is not abused, and that the terms and conditions of that access are honoured. Do you remember, it's 9 years ago, and we started the seasonal working policy in the Pacific. And in the case of Samoa, we said, you organise the workforce, and we'll trust your organisation. But it's your village by village responsibility, and you send them here, and they'll be in the shoes, we'll be in the shoes of you, the parents. We'll look after them. But it goes both ways. And I honestly believe we can get a system going that's far, far more responsive to people's needs. When someone is dying, you haven't got days and weeks. You've got hours to make your plans. And we should be facilitating that. And for heaven's sake, it's difficult for us sitting here, many of us members of Parliament, scratching our head and thinking, how did it get this bad for so long?
That's right.
But as much as we will accept and care for and treat well people that are coming to our country, we expect them to behave and to honour the terms of their presence here. Cousins respect cousins.
Yay!
So thank you again for coming here. We're honoured to accept this petition. And we will ensure as much as we can that we get the equivalence, the fairness and the promptness for the Pacific people, our front yard, that they richly deserve. Thank you very much.